Today at Mullin Machinery, we have a closing model 8008G. It's 11 by 30 inch gear head lathe. It's part of what they call their 600 series. According to the book, it says it's made in England. I know all the newer 600 series machines are made in China, but this says it's an English-made one. According to this tag on the machine, that looks like a military tag to me. That is new in 1986. Machine was sitting for a while. We had some light rust we had to clear off it, but there's no pitting. Just some little rust on screw heads and things, but the ways are fine. A little discoloration, but no like pitting or anything. No wear on the ways. That's a Pratt Bernard. Looks like a 6-inch 3-jaw chuck with reversing top jaws. Taper attachment. I have the taper attachment support. I just forgot it in my truck, so I got to bring that in. 2-axis digital readout, Analam 2-axis. It's working fine. Armstrong AXA size tool post. I know we have a bunch of holders. They're also laying down the other end of the shop. There's the steady rest. That looks like it was never used. There's no marks on the jaws. Morse taper number 3 tailstock. Follow rest also looks unused. Drive plate. It's about a 10-inch face plate. And there's a manual. It's a little hard to read the tags on the machine with the lighting in here and angles. I don't know why it's so shiny, but when you get close you can read it. It's inch metric. Has spindle speeds from 52 up to 2000 RPM. Looks about an 1 3/8 spindle hole. I'd have to put a tape on it. It's either 1 3/8 or 1.5 inches. There's a work light. It's a coolant pump in the back. And full-length backsplash. Great little machine for a home shop or a small tool room in a plant. I believe we have it on C2, 160 RPM at the moment. I guess I'll open that up. You gotta move the digital readout, but okay. 160 RPM. Feeding is very slow. We'll kick the speed up so you can see this thing move. There we go. C3 is 350. Yeah, it's 350 RPM. Let's get it up to something you can actually see moving. 730 RPM. That's the carriage feeding. There's your infeed. B3. B3 would be 1000 RPM. There's your wind feed. There's your longitudinal feed. This machine reverses with just a switch on the front here, so you flick the switch down here, and then you reverse. Coolant pump works. You hear it running. I don't have any coolant in it at the moment. I took the hose off because it was stiff, but we'll put a new hose on it. But overall, great running machine. Doesn't look like it was used a whole lot. You can check this machine out on our website, mullinmachinery.com. That's Mullin machinery.com for all your toolroom and fabricating needs.